Lord Buddha in the meditation posture during meditation, and this made by the Nagoyo sect of Japan. That's why we also call Japanese temple. And Daibutsu, in Japanese we call Daibutsu. Dhyan Mudra Kamakura style also. And this was inaugurated in 1989 by His Holiness Dalai Lama. And it took 7 years. 1996 open for the public. And beside this, both sides, right and left, you see the disciples, the famous disciples of Lord Buddha. So there are 10 statues. Sariputra, Mahamoggallana, Mahakasapa, Ananda.
这个鹿野院第一次想到的地方的5个学生，5个的学生的雕刻在这里。
दिख रहे ब्रांडेड जूता महंगा 10,000 का
皈依佛，当愿众生理解大道，发无上心，深入经藏，智慧如海，智慧一生，当愿众生。拍照。
Okay, so we are at the Royal Thai Temple, Bodh Gaya. We call Wat Thai Bodh Gaya. And this temple was built in 1956 by Royal Thai government. And then the Prime Minister of India, Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru, to strengthen the relationship between Thailand and India, requested the Royal Thai government and gifted this land for the construction of Thai temple in Bodh Gaya. So this is considered one of the oldest Thai temple in Bodh Gaya. And this was a beautiful architecture, especially the artist from Thailand came here, and there was a Buddha statue inside, you can see. And as you know, the Thai people worship Rama 1, Rama 2, the kings of Thailand. They are called the Rama. And the kings of Thailand are considered as the messenger of Vishnu. Vishnu, the Hindu god. That's why they give the title Rama. So at present, Rama 9 is considered the king of Thailand. And you see there the Garuda. Garuda is the bird, the carrier of Vishnu. When you will search on Google the Vishnu, then it will show the Garuda carrying the Vishnu. So this is the national symbol of Thailand. On the Thai passport, you will see the Garuda. So we are at the Wat Thai Bodh Gaya, and we give you free time here, about 20 minutes. You can take photos and go inside and visit. Okay?
बोलेगा चैनल निकले भाई वो निकलेนะฮะHello. Excuse me. 阿古开车门啊，
我开，我开。
要不要给阿古红包？
不用不用。
एक उधर एक उधर टीका लगा एक टीका उधर लगा
Halo. Hai hai hai. Hai hai.
ताली बजाना है ना, ताली बजाएंगे यार।
大家现在是否会翻我们地上林捐的一些东西给这个学校啊？第一个就是学校的课本哦。总共有差不多200多个课本，因为他们有200多个学生。
Okay, 1, 2, 3. Come on, 1, 2. OK， 好。
下一个是笔记本哦。
OK， 1, 2, 3. OK。
好，下一个东西就是文具。
1, 2. OK。
下一件东西就是袜子。
1, 2, 3. Yeah, one more. 1, 2, 3. OK。
下一个就是鞋子。
OK， 1, 2, 3. OK。
好，最后一样就是校服。
1, 2, 3. OK。
Welcome all the delegates from Singapore and the temple Dai Jiang Li, I think. My pronunciation is not good. But Di Jiang Lin. I welcome all the devotees of Di Jiang Lin temple and the Sifu. We cordially invited him. And we are very happy. The children are very delighted to see all of you, and from your help we have began never start from here. We have began to new hope for the children who are coming here, who joined here, because this area is a very remote area. Very remote area, not very, we cannot imagine, we cannot compare in any way by Singapore. But our government, the government now is trying to make our India like Singapore or Japan. This is their commitment. But in Bodh Gaya, we have wisdom. We have the people who have knowledge, the people who are benevolent, who want to do something for the poor children, for the harmony, for the peace of the world. So people from around the world come here every day, every month, every year to teach us. Like Sifu, who come here, I think every year for the last many years. I think he has been coming here. So many get inspiration from you people here, like us, to do something for the children. Actually, I'm also running this school for the last 23 years. For the last 20 years. And my wife is a Japanese lady. Japanese lady. You can say in Chinese, Rippon. So my wife is Japanese, and when she came here after marriage, this was her idea to start a school for the poor children. Because the condition of the area is very pathetic. When you can see the children here, they don't have the slippers, they don't have the shoes, they don't have a proper clothing. So those kind of situation here prevails for a long time, and the people, they don't have the work here. They are very much hand to mouth. They are very much hand to mouth. They don't have work. So what they do in a family of 10 people, only workers are 1 or 2, and 8 of them are sitting, no work. But the father and mother work and feed them and educate them. This is the lifestyle here. And here, particularly in this region, the Bihar, we are residing in the Bihar region. Bihar region is known for the poverty because there is no industry. So no industrial development, only the people are based here on agriculture. The agriculture, they don't have work throughout the year. They have work during the cropping, during the seeding, during the few months they have work, and rest of the month they are taking rest. No work. So this is the situation here, and here we run this school, and by running this school, many children till now have gone to Japan and other countries as well for further studies, and many of them are joining now medical, engineering, and many fields they are joining due to the help of many people. This is not my effort, this is everyone's effort that we are running this school for this long time, like 22 years. And now, last time I think the temple Dai Jiang Lin devotees have known about this fact that we have got several things for this school, like the place we are seated here. This was very, very down. So the level was very down, and the water used to come. You can see the wall there. The wall has become blackish. So due to water logging for a long time, for 2-3 months. 2-3 months the water is here, and what we can get, we cannot move around here. We can get only fish. The fish grows, and we get fish. So fish, for fish this is heaven during rainy season, but for children this is very tough, very difficult to come here every day. And the second problem here is the nutrition problem. If one have no money, they have no proper food, they don't have proper meals, they don't get proper calorie. The calorie what they need is not provided to them. So we also give them meals now twice a week. But we want to continue this for every day because if you have good body, then only you can achieve your goal in the education field. Otherwise, if your brain is not working, your body will not work properly. So this is the reason we have started twice due to lack of fund. But every day, the children, you can see the situation. They grow, and their mentally development has been achieved. This is not proper. But we are training them. Our teachers, our efficient teachers are training them to work, to exercise. The essential things, whatever one children should do. So these are the things, and we are very glad we got bus from you. This bus will help us in the future very much because the children they come from very far away walking. There was nothing here, there was no bus, and during rainy season, this clay, this kind of soil, this slips. This is slippery. So this slips, and sometimes they broke their hand, they broke their, they get injured. So this kind of happening are always here. But now bus has come. So in a bus, this is actually 15 or 16 seater. But children like teeny children, they can sit up to 20. So for the children who are coming from far away can use this, and the children who are from the nearer part of this village, they can come walking. So these are the things, and bicycle we can use this, and with your help, the copies, the textbooks, and other stationery we have got. We have got the shoes, we have got the soap. Now Sifu already distributed. This we buy 3-4 times in a year because once you buy, then we don't have proper storage, proper almirah to keep it. So this can destroy. So we buy after 3 months. Quarterly we buy, and quarterly we buy, we provide them. If you don't provide them, they won't come because they don't have. They have nothing. If you visit their houses, they don't have television, they don't have bicycle, they don't have proper, this, what can you say? They don't have, and they don't have the proper houses. The house is made from mud. The house is made from the, cane. Yes. Those kind of places they are compelled to live. But when they come here, they are very careful because the society, the atmosphere here is very different. They don't like to go back to their home because they know when I go to home, there is nothing. But here, they have friends. They have good atmosphere, they have meals, they have something to learn. So they have curiosity every day. New thing happens here, every day new things they learn. So this is very good, and I am very much thankful to all of you. You come here, you join our school, you do your best. I bless God, Lord Buddha, to bless you in all the way, in all your family, and your feeling, your thinking, your kindness will be spread to the people around here, and that will become another inspiration for the other people. And I hope you people will come every year or whenever you get time to visit, so that how much we are growing, how much our children are growing, you can have a look here. So This is very happy moment for the children of Bodh Gaya, the people of Bodh Gaya, and for we teachers, we principal. And my wife is very glad. I contacted her today, but she is now sick, so she cannot talk actually. But actually she wanted to talk, she wanted to deliver her speech. But maybe next time, or maybe next time when we visit Singapore. We have once visited Singapore, myself, my wife, and my 2 children at that time. We visited Singapore. Sentosa also we visited. Sentosa. So once we visited, we liked it very much. Very clean. People are very friendly. No noise, no pollution. So we have a very good experience there. The people, they are very benevolent, they are very kind, they are very supporting, and we really want to visit your country again. And maybe, I hope we will meet there again. Thank you. So this very little thing. If you delegate have any question, anything you want to ask, you can please ask me, or you can have a look around. We will show you one video. After a few minutes, we will show video how we face the problem during rainy season. We have make video. Then you can understand how the children are here. They are facing problem, and the contagious diseases due to rainy season water. If this block for 3-4 months, it can create disease. So we stop them. No need to come. But next time we are planning to make the upstairs, rooms in the upstairs, so that during winter and summer we can use the downstairs, and during rainy season we can use upstairs. That would be better, because to destroy this kind of building is not a good idea. Before destroying, we used to use till the last moment of the building. So I think you people have also not much time to hear my words. So I want to request Tifu to talk something about his experience in India, about his experience, about the charity work, about his experience, about his blessing. We want his blessing, and this blessing should be continued for a long time. Thank you.
他刚才大概讲了，他学校淹水的时候，就是淹到那个黑黑的地方，所以就得填土，就从马路那样填过来，这样是填10%而已，所以还没有填完，要填到它平，不然它就一直淹水。主要是大概问题都是这样子啊。然后你们后面那个旧旧的 building 看起来是什么？其实是图书馆。呀，好，所以没事。当然我们那个我们能够帮的，也是有一个有限度的。然后我们能够做多少，我们做多少。we're just telling them we do as much as we can to help the school. Yeah, and if opportunity comes again, we can come back or we can do something more for the school. Yeah. So 我们来念一个经 Let's do a little prayer to bless the school. Hopefully all your works be very smooth going and the children be healthy and very clever. Yeah, 来合掌。阿罗有事海会佛菩萨，大声一点啊！有事海会佛菩萨，南无有事海会佛菩萨，南无婆伽法帝毗沙遮毗卢毗琉璃波那多恒来生也。阿赖哈帝三藐三菩提也，但知大阿毗沙士毗沙士，三摩揭谛娑，南无婆伽法帝毗沙遮毗卢毗琉璃波那波恒来生也，但那耶多耶阿赖哈帝。佛陀也，但知大阿毗沙士毗沙士毗沙士，三摩揭谛娑，南无婆伽法帝毗沙士。毗 有理过那过而来生也难大也多也欧来和第三秒三不多也难知道比萨是比萨是比萨是萨摩比萨和愿修三藏放诸烦恼给得智慧真明了不愿罪障悉消除世世常行菩萨道。好，阿弥陀佛，对对。下一个环节。Today, Kisang Ring, our from Singapore, will come to Wat Raya for pilgrimage in this pilgrimage. And to each trip, we want to benefit our community in the local country. So we are chosen school to do some charity projects to help the school.
So how many people came here?
In our group, we have 70 people from Singapore.
From which country?
Singapore, from Singapore. We have 70 in our group.
What is the future plan about this school?
This school, actually, we are still in discussion with the principal. So if there is a further need to enhance the school building, enhance the infrastructure, we will try to work with the school.
Okay, thank you. Your name, please?
I'm the way.
जी बताइए। हाँ
कि इन्होंने एक बस डोनेट किया। ये बस हमारे स्कूल के लिए बहुत लगी रहेगी कि छोटे बच्चे जो हैं दूर से गाँव से आते हैं, इनके वो काम में आएगा। बाकी खाना पीने के लिए भी प्लान करें, खाने पीने के लिए कुछ डोनेट करें। इस तरह से हमारे स्कूल के एक सफल संचालन के लिए इनका योगदान है। ये हम लोगों ने
Small kid.
little. Small children will not eat that much. We don't want to waste food. Because small children will not eat that much. Little food.
Then you give him.
यहाँ खानवा में बच्चे लोग को दिक्कत। हाँ जा रहा जा थाली नीचे रखो बाबू, थाली नीचे रखो। सारे रखिए।
们真的吃了吗？没有那个饭，比我还要多哎，
很多哦。
比我还要多哎。
男生女生啊？
九块了，9块7位了啊，有。
脱衣服啊，脱衣服够力。
麻烦你把它推上来，然后我们点了，然后你们可以 pass 给你后面那个人。
看不要拍什么的，一排一排都是。
地上。释迦牟尼的成道的地方。这个庙是3个不同的国王盖好的，还有一个门，这个前面有一个门叫阿育王门，阿育王盖。所以这个前面有土，下面是重要的东西是释迦牟尼的宝座。所以这个宝座是很神圣的地方，里面还有7个地方。第一个地方，释迦牟尼讲到什么？如果你是一个婆罗门教的话，不长头发，不吃素的。因为为什么这样说？因为打坐的时候，婆罗门就在这里打了石头他的身体上。第二个是释迦牟尼打坐的时候喷出来的各种各样的颜色，所以你们看到很多地方有各种各样的颜色，旗子里面，所以这个代表。第3个星期，释迦牟尼哭着看菩提树。第3个星期，第4个星期，2个买卖的人走的时候看到了打坐一个人，所以他给了大米做的一个球的东西。
团体照，尽量啊，不然我们就分巴士 A、巴士 B 两个拍，看地方啊。OK， 拍照就快点过，不要这样买过后，OK， 下面很多人自己看。
在前面。
One more, yeah.
Saya em giá là
别得别得。 想要吹倒立。
不要吹武力。
哎呀呀！
这样。
哇，对了，这个灯对了。
哇，对了。给我们打灯啊！
是啊。
打灯。
耶！拍手。永生难忘啊，在印度庆生日。
明天我们祝Shangri-La他请。
要拍照吗？